how to dissolve painful feet. In this video I'm going to share a technique with you to treat feet, okay? And you can use this technique on your own feet or on somebody else's. Yeah? Hello, my name is Jeff. I'm a therapist in energy medicine for over 15 years now. And in this video I want to share with you a technique how to treat your feet, okay? You can watch it in the screen. We are going to start with the toes. Okay, so you're really going to grab the toes and you're going to twist them and turn them. Okay, find the edge. Find the edge of what you can handle. Okay, and then you can yank the toes. You know, maybe there's a nice little sound hidden in them. Yank it out and then turn them again. Okay, and when you are done turning the toes and they feel like soft and flexible again, you're gonna switch to the mid feet, yeah, the middle of the foot. Grab it tightly and then start turning again. Yeah, watch the screen, you see what to do and how to do it. Okay, both sides, to the left, to the right, until it feels soft again. Okay, after that we are gonna break the cookie. Okay, so you're gonna grab the foot on both sides and you're gonna fold it open. Fold it open. You can watch the screen, you see what to do. Fold it open one way and then pull it back the other way. Really open up that foot. Break the cookie. Okay? And when you've done that, we are going to cover the top of the foot with one hand, and with the other we are going to follow the bottom of the foot. How do you call it? Yeah, the bottom of the foot. Watch the screen. Okay, and then with your thumb you're going to follow the line from top to bottom, from your heel to your toes. Okay, just watch the screen, follow. And when you are done with that, you're gonna notice the difference between the foot that you just done and the other one. What's the difference? And then of course now you want to do the other one, because it's all about the balance. Okay, your feet are connected psychosomatically to taking steps forward. So when you are not walking your own path, your feet are gonna let you know. Okay, when you are not standing strong in yourself, your feet are gonna let you know. When you don't take the steps that you should take, your feet are gonna let you know. So open them up, let the energy flow again, stand on your two legs and go forward. Yes, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments how it feels for you. Share this video with somebody else. And I will see you the next one. Bye.